What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Your boy is back for another video. As you guys can see, we are in the car right now. We're in the beautiful 5.0 and your boy's out here back trying to make another video for you guys. So, if you guys are new, this is my 2018 Mustang GT 6-speed performance pack, and yeah, here we are today. This is what literally started the channel, and as you guys can see, it is a little bit dark outside. It's a little bit darker because of the tint in here too. But I'm actually making this video, and as you guys can see by the title, we're actually gonna be going for like a night drive. You know, I actually I like watching those videos of like the POV type of like view and then just driving at night. I just think it looks super dope, so I was like, hey, why not do that with mine? I know some people might like consider a Mustang GT and maybe can't afford like a whole like performance pack one, and can just have enough for like a base model, just like how I have mine right here. Doesn't have no touchscreen, no digital dash, so I thought it'd be pretty cool to give you guys like a POV and just sound clips of the car. Come on, like how can you guys hate the sound of this Coyote engine, man? This thing is like one of the best, if not the best sounding cars out there right now. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's gonna be like a POV night type of video, just recording, going through some gears, you know, hearing that exhaust. So sit back, enjoy, and give a like to the video, and yeah, let's get started. Then one more thing before I actually start off this video, boys, make sure to subscribe, join the fam, because we are, like I said, growing little by little every time. Everything is much appreciated, and your boys got some banger videos for you guys. Just know we got some amazing videos coming up soon, so stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe, like, do what you guys gotta do, and yeah, just join the fam. But okay, now for real, let's get started with the video. All right, you guys, so had to get some E85 for the car. The car was running off on E. Had to get some good E for her for the weekend, so she is already all set. And yeah, guys, I don't know why, but I feel like gas station lighting hits always 50 times different. And I actually just washed the car today, so it is looking extra clean under this lighting. But yeah, guys, this probably makes me finish with this video, get to the end of this video. Kind of wanted to get a POV of me just driving at nighttime. Met with a lot of Mustangs honestly throughout the way today. I don't know what I'm gonna title this video, if I'm gonna still title it like late night, or maybe like a cocky Mustang tries to, because that Mustang was revving at me. So hey, but yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys enjoyed actually me just driving around, going through the gears, hearing that 5.0 engine just scream. And like, look how freaking amazing she looks right here, boys. Holy, it looks just so freaking good. Hopefully the camera picks it up good and it's not too low. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. That was like a POV type of style drive at night. See how it looks from the cockpit, you know, going through those gears. Like I said at the beginning of this video, I always find those videos very interesting and just fun to watch, just like seeing those people drive and shift and stuff, and especially at night. So hey, I was like, why not? And I'm getting the content out for you guys out to the week. And like I said, boys, make sure you guys are subscribed. Do what you guys got to do, because we got some banger videos coming out this week coming up. And well, eventually for like, you know, the whole year or whatever, you know, we're gonna keep on the grind. So subscribe, do what you guys got to do, and hopefully I'll see you guys around. If you guys are still watching, make sure to drop a fat like, comment, subscribe, join the fam, and I'll see you on the next time. Peace.